Hey guys, I'm out here doing the bike check. A few subscribers requested one, so I'm curious to see what everybody else is riding. I ride a 2017 Norco Optic C9 full suspension. It's a medium frame. Um, Retailed for roughly like I think five. Actually got a really good deal on it. Picked it up for almost 1,000, so less. Bike's not really a whole lot stock to it. Everything I have on it is kind of custom out for, to make it my own. Just like your cars, you like to kind of tweak them and customize them, so it personalizes it for yourself. Starting off with it, it's running the stock Fox 34 Elite front shock on it. I believe it's 120 millimeter of travel. I do have aftermarket custom air wheels. These are carbon fiber 29ers, built up by Cyclist Connection, Canal Winchester, Ohio. It's also got the air hubs running the Hope rotors. I believe it's 180 on the front and 160 on the back. Tires I just put on here not too long ago. Sorry about the bike being dirty. Got a set of Minion DHF 29.2.3. Not running really a fat tire like most people do. Not really a fan of them. Got a cheap old Amazon Enley front mud flap. Going on to the brakes, running Dior XT hydraulics. Also have XT shifters. Running Renthal fat bars. They're carbon also lights. I've had no issues with them yet. I know a lot of people don't like the carbons because they feel that they're going to break or whatever, but I'm kind of a fat guy and have had no problems. Also running the aftermarket Industry 9 stem. It's an I-35, I think is what they call it. It's kind of cool because you can customize them out to whatever colors you like. I went with kind of the blue and green theme that I have on the whole bike. Moving over to the RockShox reverb dropper. Not a fan of the lever on this. That's going to get changed out. I'd like to do a southpaw on it. It's just kind of awkward trying to push it the way it is. Running stock grips. Set up for my Wahoo Element computer. Love taking that thing everywhere. It keeps track on all the bikes that I have. Also coming back over to the RockShox reverb dropper. I'm running a WTB saddle. It's the Rocket. Stock seat wasn't too bad. This one's just a little bit more comfortable. It's all internal routing also on the reverb. Moving down to the rear shock, I believe it's also it's a Fox Float, 120 millimeter of travel. Had no issues with it. I'm need to add some air to it. Looks like I'm getting close to bottoming out it a little bit, but that doesn't help with my being a fat guy stage. Running the Black Ops pedals. They're nice and wide, grip really well. Hold on to a tennis shoe pretty good. Got good spin still to them. These things I put on right when I first bought the bike. Running the race face cranks. I believe it's the turbine with a 30-tooth race face front chain ring. Got the gold KMC chain. Running a 12-speed 11-speed 1x11 speed. It's a 11 by 46 tooth rear cassette. It's a Sunrace. It's not an expensive one, but does the job pretty well. Never had any issues with it. I'm running XT rear derailleur with the clutch. Yeah, so other than that, also the Maxxis tire on the rear, same size. Got the 29.2.3 Minion DHR. So other than that, that's pretty much my bike. I'm curious to see what everybody else is riding, and what custom stuff you've done to your own bikes to make it to your own, and name off some stuff you don't like about the bike or you do like about mine, or some things possibly I could still change. Have thought about upgrading to a different crank set, but pretty happy basically with the whole bike. So other than that, I'm out.